And the number of states are giving minor respite from lockdown starting from today. Maharashtra, which is the worst affected state, has taken the boldest step of allowing limited industrial activity in green and orange zones where the outbreak is under control. Kerala, on the other hand, is opening up restaurants outside its hotspots to cut traffic on roads. Kerala has also started off the odd-even scheme, which will come into effect today. Rajasthan will allow construction activity, the industry there, to function. Farming with ample restrictions will be carried out. Curbs on remaining activities will continue until the 3rd of May. Uttar Pradesh will also allow limited construction activity in the state. All heads of the government departments, including junior officers, will resume work from today. Meanwhile, Punjab and Delhi has ruled out any relaxation from the lockdown until the 3rd of May. Telangana government has, however, extended the lockdown until the 7th of May in the state, looking at the spike in cases.
आपको याद रखना है, जान है तो जहान है। साथियों, ये धैर्य और अनुशासन की घड़ी है।
India is rushing to save lives along with livelihoods. A number of states are giving minor respite from lockdown starting Monday to avoid virus-induced coma in economy. The relief in agriculture, rural areas and industry come with stringent social distancing norms and usage of masks.
जहां पर भी हम साथ में सेलेक्टिव रिलैक्सेशन देंगे, यानी कि इन कंटेनमेंट जोन से बाहर का एरिया, वहां पर भी स्टेट्स और डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स को इंश्योर करना है कि जो एग्जिस्टिंग लॉकडाउन से संबंधित मेजर्स हैं, उनका स्ट्रिक्ट कंप्लायंस हो।
Maharashtra, the worst affected state, has taken the boldest step of allowing limited industrial activity in green and orange zones where the outbreak is under control.
खास करून ग्रीन झोनमध्ये आणि ऑरेंज झोनमध्ये आपण माफक स्वरूपामध्ये उद्योगधंद्यांना परवानगी देतो आहोत. शेती आणि कृषी याच्यात पहिले बंधन नव्हतं, आताही नाही, राहणार नाही. जीवनावश्यक वस्तू, त्यांचा पुरवठा, त्यांचं उत्पादन याच्यात कुठेही एक रुकावट येणार नाही.
Delhi, another massive spot, however, remains cautious, declining any relief.
ढिलाई दे दी और स्थिति बहुत खराब हो गई, और उसके बाद अगर आईसीयू कम पड़ गए और अस्पताल के बेड कम पड़ गए और वेंटिलेटर कम पड़ गए और ऑक्सीजन कम पड़ गई और पता नहीं कितनी अगर जानें चली गई, तो हम कभी अपने आप को माफ़ नहीं कर पाएंगे. फिलहाल लॉकडाउन की शर्तों में कोई ढिलाई नहीं दी जाएगी.
Kerala, though, is all set to open restaurants from Monday outside hotspots. An odd-even scheme for vehicles will also come into force to cut traffic. Rajasthan will allow construction, industry, farming with ample restrictions. The part respite will continue till May 3rd. The next few days will be crucial, as despite the easing of restrictions, the authorities will be keeping a hawk's eye on the virus curve. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.